Welcome to Rainbow Network Media. Please kindly subscribe to this channel for interesting news. Thank you all, I appreciate. A medical doctor in a tertiary hospital in Nigeria has said the salary scale of health workers in the country, especially at a time when the world is battling with COVID-19 pandemic, is nothing to write home about. He alleged that doctors who are frontline health workers earn almost nothing compared to staff members of the Central Bank of Nigeria and Nigeria National Petroleum Corporation. He said before the pandemic, the hazard allowance for health workers in Nigeria was just 5,000, very poor. When the pandemic started, we had to negotiate a reverse hazard allowance, which the government paid for 3 months. The revised hazard allowance was just 50% of our basic salary, and we received this hazard allowance for 3 months, April, May, June last year. They then returned to paying 5,000 as hazard allowance even till now. The basic salary for a medical doctor in some of the tertiary hospitals range from between 240,000 to 450,000, and it takes like 5 to 7 years to get to the level where you can earn 450,000. Our remuneration is very poor, especially in this pandemic. Doctors get exposed daily to COVID-19 patients, yet our hazard allowance is just 5,000. We know it is a service to humanity, but we have families that we have to take care of. The average doctor in Nigeria is not well paid. There are doctors that are being owed salaries, like our colleagues in some states, like Ondo, Kogi, Abia State. Remuneration for an average Nigerian doctor is very poor, and our junior colleagues who are coming up just want to leave the country. Some of us who decided to stay back are not getting anything that is good. The doctor does not go to the market, and the price of things gets lower. The inflation in the economy has affected everyone. Can a doctor really afford to pay the exorbitant school fee for a child in private universities? How many doctors can afford to do that? They have been living from hand to mouth. And then we have people who work in some government parastatals that are paid for doing almost nothing. They say they are income generating agencies, e.g. CBN, NNPC. We think we need to ask people who work in such places that they earn and the criteria, the basis of which they earn those amounts of money. The government does not pay 13 months to doctors, but people in these agencies get paid for 13 months, and in the beginning of the year, they pay them a lump sum. They call it different kinds of allowances, but the doctors do not get that. Our remuneration is very poor. In the United States, someone who just finished from medical school, an intern, earns close to $4,000, about 1.5 million. When he becomes a consultant, that salary can be increased to $12,000, about 1.5 million in a month. That is a variable fact. I attended a private university. Let me say, I said I paid so much, but there are some people who paid about 10,000 per year to train as doctors in Nigeria. Some years back, there is no country in the world that does not spend an average of $15,000, about 5.7 million, to get trained as a medical doctor. We train our doctors and they go to work in other countries. Nigeria is cheating herself. If you pay 500,000 in Nigeria yearly to train a doctor, it is still subsidized compared to what they pay elsewhere. And when you want to give back to your own country, you are discouraged. There are doctors who borrow to pay their children's school fees. There are doctors that if they don't get paid at the end of the month, they are close to penury. This is almost unbelievable, but that is the situation the Nigeria doctors has found themselves. So guys, my own opinion on this news is that government should listen to the cry of the doctors and make them happy by increasing their salaries, and their incentives should also be given to them as at when needed. So guys, let's know your own thoughts about this news, how you feel about this news, by dropping your comment at the comment section. And also please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you all for listening.